AI Carousels Cheat Sheets. AI just dropped and I've tested it. Here are the 7 crucial things you need to know before you dive in. If you care about visibility, traffic, and automating content with the latest AI software, stick around. This tool changes the way you think about carousels forever. And yes, you can try AI Carousels cheat sheets completely free from the first link below. But before you do, here's what sets it apart and why it's worth your time. What makes this AI different? It's not just generating generic posts, it's trained to create scroll-stopping, show carousel-style content that feels handcrafted. You pick your niche, drop in a topic or product, and it builds a full carousel with a strong hook, value-packed slides, and even CTA suggestions, all formatted for Instagram or LinkedIn. And if you've ever struggled with writing those intros or slide transitions, this handles all of that. Most AI tools give you output you still have to heavily edit. With this, it's about 90% done. I tested it on 3 niche accounts, and the engagement numbers actually jumped. Faster saves, more shares, and longer view time per post. That's a signal the content's hitting. The cheat sheets feature is where the magic happens. It gives you pre-structured swipe templates based on proven frameworks like before and after, mistake lists, mini tutorials. You don't need to be a copywriter. You just fill in a few blanks or let the AI generate ideas from scratch. Speed-wise, I built 4 full carousels in under 15 minutes. You can schedule them out or export the captions and designs right into Canva or your social media scheduler. The time savings alone make it worth trying. Another killer feature is how it maps out the visual flow from slide 1 to the CTA in a way that feels natural and scrollable. If you've ever posted a carousel and felt it just didn't flow, this solves that. Now here's something most people miss. It's not just about single posts. AI carousels can generate entire content series based on themes or launches. This means better brand storytelling, higher retention, and more followers coming back to see what's next. And lastly, updates. This software is new, but already pushing weekly improvements based on user feedback. I've seen tools blow up and then vanish. But this team is fast, responsive, and clearly knows what creators need. So should you try AI Carousels cheat sheets? If content matters to your business or brand, this is one of the best just released AI tools I've used this year. Again, there's a completely free trial from the first link below. No excuses to not try it. And if you're wondering how this compares to other AI tools, I've tested thousands, and I've linked my top recommended AI software picks in the description as well. Try it for free, test it on your niche, and you'll see why this might just be your next favorite AI tool.